Heat to tablespoons olive oil in a skillet over medium-high heat until shimmering. Add the salmon skin side down. Sear until golden brown on the bottom, 3.5 to 4.5 minutes. Flip the salmon. Reduce the heat to medium. Add the garlic, placing it in between the pieces of salmon. Continue to cook. Occasionally, baste the salmon with the butter after it melts. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and hit the notification bell to keep you updated.